Hello everyone, welcome to the day 19 of 100 Days of SQL Challenge, and today we are solving the PADS problem from the Hacker Rank. So it is 18th question and we have advanced our level a bit and we are getting some complex questions nowadays. So let's start this one. Generate the following two result sets. So we have to write two queries. First query is this one. Query an alphabetically ordered list of all names and occupations, immediately followed by the first letter of each profession as a parenthetical, that is, enclosed in parentheses. For example, an actor name in the parenthesis A. Okay, so we have to write the name of the person, and if that person is a doctor, if that person is an actor, we have in bracket we have to write it as A. If that person is a doctor, then in the bracket we will have to write it as D. Okay, so this is the first query. We have the occupations table that has two columns, that is name and occupation. So this is the first query, and the second query is query the number of occurrences of each occupation in occupations, sort the occurrences in ascending order and output them in the following format. There are total of the number of the count of occupations and write the occupation name. Okay. So you can see Ashley. Ashley is a professor. So Ashley we have written first because we have to write it in alphabetical order, names in alphabetical order. So Ashley is a professor, so we have P, and then there are total of 2 doctors, 2 singers and 3 actors. So how do we order these? Okay, where occupation count is the number of occurrences of an occupation in the occupations, and occupation is the lowercase occupation name. Okay, we have to make sure we are writing it in the lowercase, doctors, singers. Then if more than one occupation has the same occupation count, they should be ordered alphabetically. There will be at least 2 entries in the table for each type of occupation. Okay, so if the count is same, then we are ordering it alphabetically. Occupations alphabetically. Okay, if the count is same, else based on the count only. Sort the occurrences in ascending order and output them in the following format. First we have to sort in ascending order, but once they have same number of count, then they have to be sorted in alphabetical order. Okay, so let's start with this first query. What is that? We want the names in alphabetical order, and with the name we want in the bracket the occupation's first letter. So we have already read left right function, so we can extract the first character from here, so that we know now. But one more thing we have to know is we have to add these two, right? We have to add the name, and then just after that we have to give the occupation's first character in the parenthesis. So it is, we are merging two strings. If we are merging two strings, it is concat, adding it to the end. Adding it to the end means concatenating. So we have a concat function, cat function in SQL as well. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to write the name, then we want the parenthesis, right? Opening bracket. Then we want the first character of the occupation. So left occupation, and we want only one character. And then after that, I want the closing parenthesis. Correct? Yeah, perfect. From which table? Occupations. Perfect. The first query is done. But it's still not done. Wait, let me tell you. Yeah, we got the desired output, but we have to order them, right? ordered list of all names. We have to order them alphabetically. So order by name ascending. So first should be the name from A. Okay, perfect. This is done. So what is the next one? We are done with the first one. It was very simple, right? Next we have this. So we want, here also we are using that concat function. Concat, because we want this to be written. There are total of, space. Then we have to write count of occupations, right? Occupation. Then we have to write the occupation name. Occupation. But we have to write it in lowercase, remember? They've mentioned here. Lowercase occupation name. So we have a function called lower to get the output in the lowercase. So this is done. Next, we want it to have fs occupations, right? So there are total of 5 or any count occupations of doctors. So this is what we need. From which table? From occupations. Okay, and we have to order by what? Order by count of occupation. Occupation. Actually, we have to first group them, right? Group by. Only then we'll get the count of each occupation. First, we have to order them by count. If it has same count, then we have to order it by occupation. Ascending. So let's run it. Okay. Let's copy the column name. Oh, here. Let's see. Okay, sorry. Here I've written the wrong spelling and I'm changing it everywhere else. Perfect. 3 doctors. Okay, there is no space. I think we have to give a space over here. Space, and then it should work fine. There are a total of 3 doctors, 4 actors, 4 singers, 7. Perfect. What's wrong? I think everything is correct. Okay, full stop. See, full stop. We have to get the same output as it is desired. Yeah, perfect. We got the full stop also. So I hope you understood this question. It was a bit tricky. We used a lot of functions like concat, left, count, lower, whole lot of functions here, and but it was a very simple question, right? So let's submit it. Yay, we passed the test case. Do let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section, and let's meet in the next video with the next question. Until then, keep practicing. Bye bye. Thank you.